Imagine why agus fáilte Frásaí Úsáideacha. Good morning and welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be covering some Frásaí Úsáideacha. To those that are in my class, this may look familiar. It's a little card in your welcome pack, so let's get started. Good morning, very appropriate. 7 in the morning right now. Imagine why. Imagine why. Good night. Ia why. Ia why. I would like something. Bahwai liam ... x. X being a noun. So bahwai liam lower, I would like a book. Bahwai liam cupan te, I would like a cup of tea. Have you got? Why insert noun liat. So let's say if you want a pen, why pian liat. Why lower liat. Do you have a book? A cup of tea, please. Cupan te lid the hull. Cupan te lid the hull. Cupan te lid the hull. Milk. Buanya. Buanya. Spoon. Spunnog. Spunnog. Shukra. Sukra. Sukra. Knife. Skin. Skin. Fork is fork. Would you like noun something? Would you like a cup of tea? Liat cup and tea. Liat pian. Would you like a pen? Would you prefer? X being the noun. Cup and tea liat. Would you prefer a cup of tea? Caf liat. Would you prefer coffee? How much is kavej a? So how much is a cup of tea? Kavej a cup and tea. Kavej a cup and tea. Breakfast. Breakfasta. Breakfasta. Lunch. Loan. Loan. Dinner. Junior. Junior. What time does a shop or cafe open? Ken tam a osclian and shoppa no or an caff. What time does the shop or cafe open? Ken tam an osclian and shoppa. Ken tam an osclian and caff. What time does the shop or cafe close at? Ken tam a regin and shoppa. Ken tam a regin and caff. Once again, ken tam a regin and shoppa. Ken tam a regin and caff. A pint. Pinta. Pinta. A bottle. Buidjo. Buidjo. A glass. Glinye. Glinye. Wine. Fian. Fian. White wine or bright wine. Fingal. Red wine. Finjarig. And rosé. Finros. Beer. Bior. Bior. Please. Lid the hull. Lid the hull. Thank you. Go ro moi agat. Go ro moi agat. Go ro magat. Or you can emphasize it a bit more. Go ro ked moi agat. Go ro mili moi agat. Or add them both together. Go ro ked mili moi agat. Go ro ked mili moi agat. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Now you will hear ta falcha roit, but it is more grammatically correct to say go nyana away ditch. Go nyana away ditch. Don't mention it. A good all-rounder. Don't have to worry about grammar with that one. Na haber e. Don't say it or don't mention it. Na haber e. Where are the toilets? Cawel na leherish. Cawel na leherish. Women. Minra. Minra. Well, that stumped me when I first learned this one. I heard you. I used to say minya, but it's minra. women. And then for men, fear, fear. Did you see X? An waka to. Did you see X? An waka to and telefish. Did you see the TV? And waka to and lewer. Did you see the book? I saw, or hannig me. You ever hear more hannig me? But hannig me and telefish. I saw the television. Hannig me and buhul. I saw the boy. I didn't see ni akima. I didn't see the TV. Ni akima and telefish. I didn't see the TV. It's a fine day. Tala bra an. It's cold. Ta chauffeur. It's raining. Ta she cur farhinye. It's raining. Ta she cur farhinye. It's pouring down. Ta she stali boashti. How are you? Could you mar a tattoo? Could you mar a tattoo? I am good. Ta me go moi. I am good. Okay or alright. Ta me go masara. Ta me go masara. Ta me go hulk. I'm poorly. Ta me go hulk. Yesterday. In ye. Yesterday. In ye. Today. In you. Tomorrow. Amara. Tomorrow. Amara. Hi is hi, very conveniently. And goodbye, slán. I'll see you. Chifi mehu. I'll see you. Good luck. Iad more ort. No problem. Firebee. Well done. Moihu. Enjoy. Buin salt as. Correct here. Moihu harja.